हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माइती ब्लॉग जोन। और आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं गांधी कोटा एंड वी आर ऑन द वे। एंड सुबह सुबह हम लोग निकले अराउंड 7 o'clock एंड अभी 12 बज रहे हैं। हम लोग ने नाश्ता किया, देन अभी जा रहे हैं, ऑन द वे में है। इट्स लाइक 350 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम माई हाउस एंड इट विल टेक लाइक 7 hours। सो अभी ऑन द वे में है। दिस इज़, हम लोग ये गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं। सो लेट्स गो, लेट्स शो यू द प्लेस। क्या बोलता है?
एकदम बहुत हार्ड।
तो नहीं आ रहा? हाँ
आ रहा लोरी का दे।
This was a long road trip, and on the way we have seen beautiful roads, valleys, hills, rivers and many other beautiful things. And I definitely don't want you guys to miss all of this, as I believe that you all are part of my journey. I feel blessed that I'm traveling with my friends. We badly needed this break from our busy schedule doing our regular jobs in the IT industry. And traveling definitely helps us refresh our minds.
Could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to.
We are traveling from Hyderabad, and Gandikota has well-maintained road network, and hence it is easily accessible by road. The route which we have taken is Hyderabad-Kurnool Gandikota, which is the most preferred route for most of the tourists, as it takes 7 hours to reach Gandikota. The second route being Hyderabad, Markapur and Gandikota, which usually takes an average time of 9 hours. Gandikota is located in the Kadapa district at a distance of about 390 kilometers from Hyderabad, and it is a must-visit destination for travelers who look forward to exploring new places and discovering unknown sights. So guys, we are still on the way, और हम लोग अभी यहाँ पर रुके हैं कुछ मतलब लंच लेने। एक्चुअली हमारे पास स्कीमा है, सो हम लोग रोटी लेने यहाँ पर एक राजस्थानी होटल में आए हैं। सो लकीली हम लोग को मिल गया है। सो दिस इज़ द होटल, छोटा सा ढाबा है, एंड वी जस्ट गोइंग। वी ऑर्डर्ड रोटीज, चपातीज, एंड इट्स रियली हॉट राइट नाउ। We're traveling in mid of August, and I guess it's not the best time to travel to this place, as the weather conditions are harsh because it's really hot. So do not forget to carry an umbrella and your sunscreen if you don't want to get tanned. सो गाइज़, हम लोग ने अभी लंच किया यहाँ पर एक शेडी से जगह पे, एंड यहाँ पर पार्क करके हम लोग ने लंच किया। और अभी बस 100 किलोमीटर दूर है यहाँ से गंदीकोटा, एंड इट्स रियली हॉट। एंड हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं, अभी खाना खाया हम लोग ने, एंड वी आर रियली एक्साइटेड। सो जब तक हम नहीं पहुँचते तब तक जस्ट वेट फॉर इट। अभी जा रहे हैं वहाँ पर। इट्स शोइंग 2 hours फ्रॉम हियर, सो लेट्स सी वहाँ पर गंदीकोटा में क्या दिखता है, एंड आई विल शो यू द प्लेस। वॉट एवर वी आर गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इन द ब्लॉग। सो कीप वॉचिंग एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड। हो गया, चलो लेट्स गो। अर्पण हो गया? खाना कैसा था? अच्छा बाय द वे अर्पण ने खाना बनाया आज। अर्पण,
हाय गाइस।
अर्पण ने बहुत बढ़िया चिकन, क्या था वो?
चिकन कीमा।
चिकन कीमा, बहुत बढ़िया चिकन कीमा बनाया। एंड अभी जा रहे हैं हम लोग, जल्दी से आ जाओ, जाना है हम लोग को।
Tropic Club.
The reason I'm showing a lot of roads in this vlog is because I want you guys to feel the journey and also relax and enjoy the view of the beautiful roads, clouds, sky, nature and everything nice we have seen. We are really tired as it took us more than 7 hours because we have halted at many places to take short breaks, and because of the heat outside we are already fried up. Even the air conditioning in our cars didn't really help us. The memories of traveling with your friends will always stay fresh, and these are some things cannot be expressed in words. You need to experience it to feel it.
But we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to
After a long journey, we almost reached the place. We wanted to show you the sunset, but by the time we could reach our stay and freshen up, it was already dark to show you guys the beautiful view of the canyon. But guess what? We are staying here for 2 days and we have so much of adventure to do. And I promise you, I'm gonna capture all of them so that you all can be part of it. We went to our campsite, had dinner under the moonlight with campfire and good music, and that's how we spent our night and finally dozed off. Hi guys, good morning. And कल रात को हम लोग बहुत लेट यहाँ पर आए, पूरा अंधेरा हो गया था. It was just moonlight, so I couldn't take any videos. But सुबह उठ के I just woke up right now. And I can show you the view from my tent. Actually, it's beautiful. So look at the view, guys. This is how it is from here. So these are the tents we were staying in, and this is the view. As the weather was hot, we have ended up sleeping outside the tent on the rocks under the moonlight. Not an advisable thing to do, but yes, it was fun and a great experience. This vlog is going to be in 2 parts as we are going to do so many things today and there's so much to show you guys. At the end of each part, you can see the interview of a person whom I contacted for food and accommodation and who has taken very good care of us, and because of whom this crazy experience was possible. All the details will be in the description. You can always contact this person to do all the arrangements whenever you plan to travel to Gandikota, and also show them this blog, and I'm sure he will take it over from there. So मैं जब यहाँ पर आ रहा था, I didn't do any research about it. I just heard people talking about this place. कल हम लोग 7 घंटे ड्राइव के बाद बहुत थक गए थे and we were late actually. So इसलिए पूरा डार्क हो गया था, इसलिए हम लोग कुछ देख नहीं पाए थे. But you know, I didn't come here with any expectations कि ऐसा देखने मिलेगा, वैसा देखने मिलेगा. Although I heard people talking about this place, but this place really surprised me, and this is really nice, you know. And I'm glad I'm in a place like this. You know, we all need to do this, travel, refresh yourself. You know, we all need this actually. The kind of lifestyle we have, you know, sitting at home, working from home, this really refreshes you, I think. And I'm really blessed I got to be in a place like this with my friends. So आज बहुत सारे चीज़ करने वाले हैं. So we are going to do a little trek to a waterfall. उसके बाद बहुत सारे चीज़ है, आप वीडियो में देख लेना. And कल रात I'm really sorry I couldn't take any video because there was no light. There was only moonlight. And even in the moonlight everything was like kind of visible. Your eye adapts to it when there is low visibility. I think your eye अपने आप adapt करता है कि you can see things, and we could see all of this, but we didn't know कि couldn't see the colors and all that. But I didn't know that this place will be so beautiful. And यार खुश हो गया यार, दिल खुश हो गया seriously. मैं तो I mean look at the view, and that's why it is known as the Indian Grand Canyon. Just look at it. Nature is so beautiful, and this is how it is.
Before we end this part, check out the interview of the person who can help you arrange camping beside the canyon like this one.
I'd like to introduce someone who's helped us arrange this entire camping and everything. So, Anna, మీ పేరేంటి?
మా పేరు శ్రీనివాస్. ఇక్కడ సన్ రైజ్ క్యాంపింగ్ అని మనం క్యాంపింగ్ చేస్తాము, ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తాం క్యాంపింగ్. ఇక్కడ మనం క్యాంపింగ్ టెంట్, క్యాంప్ ఫైర్, ఫుడ్ 3 times ఫుడ్ ఉంటుంది.
3 times ఫుడ్ అంటే బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్,
లంచ్, డిన్నర్ ఉంటుంది. అన్లిమిటెడ్ ఫుడ్ ఉంటుంది. మనకు సపరేట్ వాష్రూమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. రివర్ ట్రెక్కింగ్ ఉంది, రివర్లో కాయాకింగ్ కూడా ఉంది, జిప్ లైన్ ఉంది, వాటర్ ఫాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, నియర్ వాటర్ ఫాల్స్. మన క్యాంపింగ్ వచ్చేసి సన్ రైజ్ క్యాంపింగ్ ఉంది.
రైట్.
మనకు ఓన్ హోటల్ ఉంది, హోటల్లో హోమ్ ఫుడ్ ఉంటుంది. ఫుడ్ గురించి ఇంకా సార్ చెప్తారు మీకు.
సో ద ఫుడ్ హియర్ इज़ रियली गुड. इट इज़ अनलिमिटेड, एंड आपको जो भी चाहिए आप भैया अन्ना से पूछ सकते हो यहाँ पर आके. मैं इनका डिटेल्स सब कुछ नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगा. और guys, what do you have to say about the food and everything?
The food is really amazing, guys. You guys should try it.
How's the natakodi?
We had like natakodi curry, then chicken curry. Yep.
Desi chicken.
All yum.
बहुत अच्छा था. The food was really good, and akka was also really sweet to us. आके आपको ब्रेकफास्ट यहाँ पर आके मतलब अच्छे से बना के देगी. हाँ, अरे. So this is the hotel, guys. This is hotel Abhiruchi. It's just at the end of the road, just beside the fort. And जब भी आओगे यहाँ पर आके रोक के, अन्ना का कांटेक्ट नंबर मैं दूंगा, आप आके. अन्ना, आपका नाम क्या है? श्रीनिवास. So श्रीनिवास अन्ना से आप लोग मिलके, he'll help you arrange everything. And the camping was really nice. Thank you अन्ना, बहुत अच्छा था. The camps where we were staying, it's really nice, and it was just in front of the canyon. So I'm sure you've seen it in the video. So everything is arranged by Anna. So thank you so much for your hospitality. So whoever is coming, you can watch my vlog, and you can tell my name, and you can just contact Anna, and Anna will do all the arrangements. Thank you Anna, thank you so much.